Professional interior designers don't rely on expensive furniture alone. They understand balance, lighting, texture, and layout. These simple principles can make even an ordinary bedroom feel like a boutique hotel. Some of these tips are surprisingly easy to apply, while others are design secrets that many homeowners overlook. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with a clear focal point. One mistake many homeowners make is giving every piece of furniture equal attention. When everything competes for your eyes, nothing truly stands out. Professional designers always begin by establishing a focal point, and in almost every bedroom, that focal point should be the bed. Think of your bed as the centerpiece of the entire room. Everything else should support it rather than distract from it. An upholstered headboard, a beautiful wood panel feature wall, or even carefully selected artwork above the bed can instantly anchor the space. Here's why designers love this approach. Our eyes naturally look for one dominant feature when entering a room. Creating that visual anchor makes the bedroom feel organized, intentional, and calming. Avoid placing too many decorative elements on competing walls. If your bed is the star, let it shine. A simple pair of matching nightstands and balanced lighting can reinforce symmetry without making the room feel rigid. If you're decorating a smaller bedroom, this strategy becomes even more important because visual clarity makes compact spaces feel larger. Now let's look at another design principle that instantly elevates any bedroom. Tip 2. Layer different textures instead of adding more colors. Many people assume a beautiful bedroom needs lots of bold colors. In reality, today's modern bedroom design ideas rely much more on texture than color. Imagine a room with soft linen bedding, a chunky knit throw, warm oak furniture, woven baskets, natural stone accessories, and a plush area rug. Most of these pieces may share similar neutral colors, yet the room feels rich, inviting, and sophisticated. This is called texture layering. Different materials reflect light differently, creating subtle contrast without overwhelming the eye. Natural wood introduces warmth. Linen softens the atmosphere, while adds comfort. Ceramics provide handcrafted character. Glass reflects light. Metal introduces a refined accent. Together, these materials create depth while maintaining a calm color palette. One common mistake is buying everything from the same furniture collection. When every surface has identical finishes, the room can appear flat and lifeless. Instead, mix complementary materials while keeping the overall palette cohesive. This simple technique gives your bedroom the curated look that designers strive for in luxury interiors. Tip 3. Use lighting to shape the mood. Lighting is one of the most overlooked elements in bedroom design, yet it has one of the biggest impacts on how a space feels. Many bedrooms rely on a single ceiling light. While it provides enough brightness, it often creates harsh shadows and makes the room feel flat. Professional designers think in layers. Start with ambient lighting, which provides overall illumination. Then add task lighting, such as bedside lamps for reading. Finally, introduce accent lighting to create warmth and depth. Wall sconces, table lamps, LED strips behind the headboard, or even a small floor lamp in an unused corner can completely transform the atmosphere. Warm white bulbs, typically around 2,700K to 3,000K, help create a relaxing environment that's perfect for winding down at the end of the day. Natural light is equally important. If possible, keep window treatments light and airy during the day to maximize sunlight. Natural light enhances color accuracy, makes materials look richer, and helps your bedroom feel more open. One mistake many homeowners make is choosing decorative light fixtures that are too small for the room. A properly scaled pendant light or chandelier can become a beautiful design feature while still maintaining balance. Ask yourself this: does your bedroom lighting help you relax, or does it simply help you see? Sometimes changing the lighting changes the entire room. Tip 4. Choose furniture that fits the space. Bigger isn't always better. One of the quickest ways to make a bedroom feel cramped is by filling it with oversized furniture. Professional designers pay close attention to scale and proportion. These two principles simply mean that every piece of furniture should relate comfortably to both the room and the other pieces around it. For example, a king-size bed may sound appealing, but if it leaves only a narrow walkway around the room, the entire layout will feel uncomfortable. Instead, leave enough clearance for easy movement. Your bedroom should flow naturally from the entrance to the bed, the closet, and any seating area. Floating nightstands are another excellent option for smaller bedrooms. Because you can see the floor beneath them, they reduce visual weight and create the illusion of more space. Furniture with exposed legs often has the same effect. Another smart strategy is choosing multifunctional pieces. A storage bench at the foot of the bed provides seating while hiding blankets. A bed with built-in drawers can eliminate the need for an additional dresser. Every piece should earn its place. Before buying anything, ask yourself 2 questions. Does it fit the room? And does it serve a purpose? Design becomes much easier when every item contributes to both beauty and functionality. Tip 5. Let negative space do the work. Here's an idea that surprises many people. Sometimes the best decorating decision is choosing not to decorate. Designers call this negative space. Negative space is simply the empty area around furniture and decor. It allows your eyes to rest and gives important design elements room to breathe. When every shelf is filled and every wall is covered, the room can quickly feel cluttered, even if it's clean. Instead, leave some surfaces intentionally empty. Allow space between decorative objects. Resist the urge to fill every corner. This creates a sense of calm that modern bedroom design is known for. Remember, luxury isn't about having more. It's about making every piece feel intentional. A carefully styled nightstand with a lamp, a book, and a small ceramic vase often looks far more elegant than one crowded with accessories. Minimal doesn't mean empty. It means editing with purpose. As you remove unnecessary visual clutter, you'll notice that your favorite pieces begin to stand out even more. Tip 6. Upgrade your bedding like a designer. If the bed is the focal point of the room, then the bedding is its wardrobe. High-quality bedding instantly changes how expensive a bedroom feels. Fortunately, you don't need luxury hotel prices to achieve a designer look. Start with crisp, breathable sheets made from natural materials like cotton or linen. Next, layer your bedding. Use a duvet or quilt. Add a folded throw blanket near the foot of the bed, and finish with pillows in varying sizes and textures. The goal isn't to create a mountain of pillows. Instead, create visual depth while keeping the arrangement practical and inviting. Color also plays an important role. Soft neutrals, earthy greens, warm taupes, muted blues, and gentle creams continue to dominate modern bedroom design ideas for 2027 because they promote relaxation. Avoid using too many competing patterns. Instead, let texture provide the visual interest. This creates a bedroom that feels timeless rather than trendy. Another simple change is upgrading your pillowcases and duvet cover to materials with a subtle woven texture. Small details like these often make the biggest difference. After all, your bed is the first thing people notice when they walk into the room. Making it look polished immediately elevates the entire space.